and welcome to another SEO tutorial. So let's say that you've gone ahead and you've made some videos and you made them on your phone. You're trying to get those off to your video editor or your SEO or your website company. Problem is you don't know how to get those off of your phone in a high quality way. Right, so if you send them wirelessly, the problem is that you will get a low quality video, and that's not what you want. So what you do, use the same cable that you use to go ahead and charge your phone, and instead plug it into your computer. So take off the charging part that goes into the wall and use the USB to go into the computer, and use your charging end which connects to your phone. So we'll set that up right now. First we take that end, plug it into your phone just like you do for charging. Then we'll plug your USB into your computer. So your computer may be different, right? It may be a Mac, it may be a PC, it could be anything, but almost all of them have a USB port. So you may have to look on the back of your machine, you may have to look on the top of your machine, or you might be able to look right in the front. And it simply is taking that USB and plugging it into it. Once you do that, now it's time to go over to your computer screen. Open up your file browser. Find the actual phone, which will now be plugged in. Once you find your phone, open it up, drill down the folder till you get to the video section. Copy those videos from the phone over to the computer. And then the easiest way to do it, especially if you have a Gmail, is to simply send them to the email address that you want via email. If it goes through a Gmail to Gmail account, it will use the Google Shared Drive and you won't even have a problem. It'll use the high quality. You can also use Dropbox or other file sharing sites. Even Google Shared Drive will also work. All right, thanks, and I hope this helps in how to get those videos off of your phone onto your computer, and then so that you can either email them, Dropbox them, or put them into Google Shared Drive. Thanks, and I hope this helped.